Hey guys, so let me quickly go to NKLA. We got the market, pre-market about to open here in 15 seconds. Let's see if we can get out of this limit order that we got going on here. Get my mouse ready to go. All right, here we go. Market's about to open. And try to get out on the 80. Already it's dropping pretty fast. So pre-market opening up here. Still not able to get out. Boom. Okay, so we got out. It's a little tricky getting out sometimes pre-market. I got what I wanted. Oops, what did I click on now? So yeah, there we go. Yeah, if you guys have not watched the video already, we were talking about getting out of NKLA pre-market last time. This was a really small position size. We were trading here. We entered. Where do we go? 17 shares at $55. So it was like a $950 position size. Nothing crazy, but part of the small account challenge, kind of a fun little trade here. And we were talking about what we could be seeing on a trade like this. And long term, I think this is the hourly chart part, no, the daily chart. We know we have big support here, and it was the 55 level. And I knew that there was warrants being executed, and this thing was probably going to drop like a rock. I'm not going to be surprised if we see it in the 30s, maybe even below this area in the next few days. But I do know the fact that this is a huge multi-month support and resistance zone here at 55. So I bought this dip here looking for at least a little bit of a bounce. It was a higher risk trade, so I took smaller position size. It is what it is, and that's just how we wrapped it up right here. I would have liked to take profits above $60, but TD Ameritrade pre-market does not open until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, while I think the NASDAQ opens at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So there was already some trading going on here, but it wasn't until that little pop until we saw that activity here at 7 o'clock. So I quickly forced my exit. I did not want to stick around. I was already above my profit-taking target. I originally was even thinking about taking profits here in like the 59 zone. So the fact that I was able to walk away in this trade, I'm pretty happy. This is P&L on the day. I think the P&L on this actual overall trade is much higher. And actually, we could probably go ahead and calculate it if you guys are genuinely curious. And this is how I always do it. Let me quickly go to trade journal here. And then trade. Filled orders. This is the filled order. So this one just filled here at 59.50. So we just actually, let me quickly edit this one. Quickly calculated what it was. 59.50. 59.50. Now there's going to be a small fee here. I think this fee is going to be like 5 cents trading commission fees, not from TD Ameritrade, but just the overall. I think NASDAQ. No, I think it's the SEC fees. I would have to double check that, but it's always very low. I'll add this later, but for now I'm just going to put it kind of here as a benchmark. It's going to, for $1,000, I think it's like 5 cents or so. 17 shares, and this just happened at 13, so that's 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's go here. 7. What did I say? 0019. So we were one of the first orders to be executed here. Pretty exciting stuff. I'll go ahead and fill out all this stuff a little bit later. Actually, I'll just say here this was a support line bounce, and actually inside of a overall kind of dip buy. So let's go here, save this trade, and then we could kind of quickly look at it. I also want to take a quick screenshot here, and oh, I forgot to close this trade. You always want to close the trade, otherwise it doesn't calculate your overall stats. Let's see here. So yeah, this was a pretty sweet trade, and a little 6% here. Again, small position size, like I said, $63 profit, and then a little bit less with the fees, which will be calculated later on TOS, but I think it's around like probably maybe 4 cents or so. So pretty sweet little trade there. Getting ready right now for the overall market open, and working on the watch list right now. And I will see you guys on the live stream starting at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Boom, let's do it. All right, guys, till then, stay safe, make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao. Hit the like button. See ya.